Don't miss out on GreenGeeks web hosting biggest sale of the year. The GreenGeeks web hosting Black Friday deals are now officially live. It's time to score unbeatable savings on your GreenGeeks hosting plan. You get up to 85% off GreenGeeks web hosting, getting web hosting for as low as $195 a month, plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the GreenGeeks web hosting Black Friday deals, click the link in the description below to get your GreenGeeks web hosting Black Friday discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the GreenGeeks web hosting page. Click the View Plans button or scroll down to the Web Hosting Plans. You'll see the Black Friday limited time offer of up to 85% off, getting web hosting for as low as $195 a month, plus a free domain name. You get the Lite plan for as low as $195 a month, and the plan renews at $12.95 a month. The Pro plan you get for as low as $3.95 a month, and the plan renews at $16.95 a month. The Premium plan you can get for as low as $6.95 a month, and it renews at $26.95 a month. I'll choose the plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a domain name. The domain name will be free if you select an annual term for your GreenGeeks hosting purchase. Once you have the domain name that you want, hit the Next button. You'll now be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. You'll see the GreenGeeks web hosting Black Friday discount showing over to the right. Enjoy your GreenGeeks web hosting Black Friday deal so you can save money on your GreenGeeks web hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.